Alright, they're gonna do a 3-point turn. Oh yeah, she's gonna have to do a 3-point turn right here. Let me back up, get out her way. See how they're having her do a 3-point turn right away? Alright, so an immediate 3-point turn. You see that, guys? After the parallel parking, an immediate 3-point turn. Alright. So she's definitely going to get points for that parking far from the curb. Her 3-point turn, not too shabby.